Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to create this really cool shimmery look. Don't forget to subscribe and let's go. I'm priming with the L'Oreal Magic Luminous. I'm applying buff beige for the foundation. I'm going in with the nude beige True Match L'Oreal to highlight around the eyes. I'm applying the CoverGirl powder number 115. I love this powder. And brows are done with the L'Oreal Brow Kit. Guys, this Morphebabe palette is awesome. I'm going to start off with You Fancy above my crease and under the lid. For my crease, I'm going to take my Street Ink palette and use this brick wall. Now I'm applying Fame Game to all my lid, and I'm going to take the inner corner and apply this beautiful show off. I'm taking Maybelline in the color brown to line my eyes. I absolutely love these lashes by Allure numbered 126. I am taking this contour stick by Jordana, blend that in, and applying my Maybelline concealer under the eye. I'm using the number 7 blush and using a little highlighter on the nose. Love this Longwear Matte Lip Gloss by Beauty Creations. Thanks so much for watching and go celebrate your beauty.